Hi chairde, and welcome back to another video from Let's Learn Irish. Today we're going to learn how to count objects from the numbers 1 until 10. While counting in the Irish language from 1 until 10, we always use the singular noun. If I were to ask you this question, Céithre's cut atá sa chrann, how many cats are there in the tree? The answer to this would be Aon cut amháin, meaning one cat. Aon cut amháin. Now let's continue this list up until the number 10. Let's do it together. So I'm going to ask the question and I'll follow up by the answer. Ascailge. Céithre's cathaoir atá sa seomra. Tá dhá cathaoir sa seomra. There's 2 chairs in the room. Céithre's bosca atá an tseilf. Tá bhosca an tseilf. There's 3 boxes on the shelf. Céithre's madra atá an tsráid. Tá chairde bhád an tsráid. There's 4 dogs on the road. Céithre's bhád atá sa chuan. Tá cúig bhád sa chuan. There's 5 boats in the bay. Céithre's cut atá sa ngairdín. Tá 6 cut sa ngairdín. There's 6 cats in the garden. Céithre's bus atá an mhóthar. Tá 7 mus an mhóthar. There's 7 buses on the road. Céithre's bow atá sa bárc. Tá 8 mó sa bárc. There's 8 cows in the field. Céithre's cupán atá sa gcóifre. Tá 9 cupán sa gcóifre. There's 9 cups in the cupboard. Céithre's cailín atá sa seomra. Tá 10 cailín sa seomra. There's 10 girls in the room. And that's it, how to count objects from 1 until 10. You can see that the phrases change depending on the amount of the objects that we're counting at the same time. Agus sin é a chairde. Next time that you're out and about, please refer back to this video for some help. Agus sin é. For more information, more articles and more phrases, please be sure to join our online Irish community at letslearnirish.com. Bí gí páirteach.